Lexington, Nebraska. I gotta take a half-an-hour break. I wanted to show you something I never pulled. These are trailer tails. See how much they extend all the way past. Looks like about 3 feet. But this is the big aerodynamic, supposed to be about 4 miles per gallon, it's supposed to save. But you see all the moving parts. It's not really good with snow and ice because all this gets really stuck. Plus, if you forget about this, then it's all about smashing it in. I've seen many that are really broken because they forgot to fold them back in. And when you fold them in, you can see the muscle that you have to do just to lock them in. And they go back in the loading dock and they forget that these are open. And they get smashed up. Then you just see the hinges. Well, you see the moving parts here on these tails. But the release is right here. And you're supposed to just pull them out. But you see all the moving parts. But if you got a lot of wind and snow, you'll really get bunched up. So when you fold them, and you got a lot of snow packed in here, or ice, there would be a problem. Well, you see how that's folded like that. But when I go to Wyoming with 70-mile-an-hour winds, usually they're side winds. Many, they fold them back in, so that way you don't have more of a kite going down and it's blowing you over. But that's what this one is. What they call it, trailer tail. You can see what they did here. I never had a tail on these. This is an old Holman trailer. But I gotta go to Clearfield, Utah, unload this, and this is Johnsonville Brats. And then I gotta take this to California. I got 3 drops. I gotta load back at the same place. But you can see how this works. But my recommendations, because there's so many moving parts, is that if it's ice and really cold snow, ice pack kind of stuff, it's better to keep them closed because you won't be able to close them because there's too many moving parts. And you break things when one doesn't move properly. But you see all the joints and shocks and everything they have on these. But I'm going to go and take a half-an-hour break here. This is a Walmart in Lexington. And when I go to Big Springs, fill up, I'll probably fold them before I go into Wyoming. And that's because, as you can see the side skirts, because they're supposed to have 70-mile-an-hour winds. But you can see this whole side now is just full of aerodynamics here. In California, you need all this stuff, all this aerodynamics when it comes to side skirts and the tails. They got different kinds of tails. But you always have to remember before you back into a loading dock is to fold your tails in. I've seen too many that are broken because they forgot. Some of them have flaps on the side that remind the driver that they're open. And they have other tails that automatically open when the wind blows. So they have different kinds of patterns for that. But you can see the whole side skirt. And these are springs. They got springs in them. So that way when you hit, these actually spring in. They're pretty strong. Those are springs. But that's it. The only problem I have is this tire. You can see this tire here, it looks pretty bad and beaten out. These are those super singles. But it's not a recap. If it was, then all this would be pretty well shredded. But that chunk there looks really bad, so I had to report that so I can get that new when I get into the yard. But the driver left it like that. When I picked up this trailer, that's the problem I have, is this big tire problem. But that's a big problem there. It's a Michelin's. Michelin's are about the best ones out here. But it does look like a recap. But as long as there's no steel hanging out and all that, it should be alright. There's always a problem, but that's why you do vehicle inspections, you can check them all out. This one's got the chicken lights. Looks like 5, so 10 on the side. But I'm glad to share that with you. This truck's still a good runner. Trying to keep it clean. But oh well, I appreciate your time. Wanted to show you some aerodynamics on the trailer. The old trailer tales.